Okay, page 9 of the review, Foundation of Geometry and Triangle Review Problems from North Carolina. And our next problem is, according to the map, the road connecting the cities of Oakton, O, and Ridgeton, R, here it is, and intersects with the road connecting Maple View and Pineville. If the roads intersect in the town of Forest Grove, right there, in the diagram, which statement is always true? And it assumes that the roads are straight lines, that they're not wavy. Well, when I first look at this one, I'm like, well, there's not a lot of information. I don't know any angles. I don't know if anything's perpendicular or bisects each other. So let's just kind of go through the choices and see what they say. MP is equal to RO. I have no idea of knowing if these towns are the same distance. I don't like this one. Bad answer, I think. PF is perpendicular to OF. Really tempting. It looks like it, but I don't think so. I don't know that for sure. OFP, this angle here, is congruent to RFM. Will that always be true? Yes. Those are vertical angles, and vertical angles are always congruent. So this is a valid statement no matter where these roads are. Just to be sure, I'll double check the other one. RFP is congruent to MFR. No, I don't know that. It's only if they're perpendicular they'd be congruent. So it's trying to say RFP here was congruent to that angle. I could say that they're supplementary, but that's not what it asked. It asked if they were congruent. So your answer is C. Okay, on this next problem, I'm going to redraw the number line or the line here just to have a little more room. All right, won't be perfect. M and N and L and P. All right. Now they tell me that LP, given LP, LM equals 3x plus 1. Then they tell me MN is 4x minus 3. Then they tell me NP is 6x minus 5. They also tell me that LM, this part, is congruent to this part, which means I can set those equal. 3x plus 1 equals 6x minus 5 minus 3x, because I have less x's on that side. 1 equals 3x minus 5. I can add 5 to both sides. 6 equals 3x. Divide by 3, divide by 3, because that was multiplied by 3. So x is 2. All right? Is that my answer? It's tempting. There it is. There's a 2. But what does it ask for? It asks for the length of MP. So this is 2 is x, which means this is 6 times 2 minus 5. That would be 7. And these two are congruent, by the way. And 4 times 2 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. All right, so that piece is 5, that piece is 7. They want from M to P, that is actually 12. Please make sure you are answering the right question when taking your EOC.